how to choose the right creatine option. That is what today's video is about. Let's go. Hi, I'm Aleksa, sports dietitian and nutritionist. Welcome to my channel. Great to have you here. So there's no question about it, and it's no surprise. Supplements are super popular. People are always wondering which supplement to take. Should I take this one? Should I not take that one? Etc, etc. And one of the most popular supplements in discussion is creatine. And today, I'm going to help you decide on the best creatine option for you. So the creatine that you need to choose has to tick off the following boxes. Number one, it has to be safe. Number two, it has to be effective. Number three, it has to be cost effective. And then finally, number four, it has to be backed by scientific research. And there's only one creatine form out there that actually ticks off all these four boxes. And that's creatine monohydrate. This is the type of creatine that you should be focusing on if you are going to be taking creatine. Now, whether or not you should be consuming creatine or not, well, that's another topic for another day. Because just because a supplement is effective potentially does not mean that every single person necessarily needs to be taking it. But let's just assume that you want to take creatine, you're going to take creatine. Which one should you choose? Quite simply, as I said, just choose the one that is creatine monohydrate. It's the most well-researched, it's safe, it's effective, all the stuff that you need from a creatine supplement. And most importantly, it's the cheapest one. So why would you spend more for all these other fancier types of creatine options out there just because someone's trying to sell you onto something more expensive that's not even as backed by research as creatine monohydrate? Now, in terms of dosages, if you are interested about that, generally speaking, you're looking at either two different ways of doing it. The first option, of course, is by doing a loading phase, maybe consuming like 20 to 25 grams of creatine per day, ideally spread across multiple kind of points. And then you do that for about 7 days, and then you get onto a maintenance phase between somewhere 3 to 5 grams per day on an ongoing basis going forward. What this does is in the first 7 days, you saturate your muscles with the creatine levels and then you maintain it. That's like the loading phase approach. The other approach is simply taking somewhere between 3 to 5 grams of creatine per day and just doing that indefinitely. So it's like more of a slow saturation, and eventually your muscles will get to that point of saturation. It takes longer, but it's good for people that want to just kind of take it easy, are not in a rush, or maybe just don't want to accidentally have any gut disruptions as a result of doing the loading phase. So that's creatine in a nutshell in terms of which one you should be choosing, what the best option is. Of course, if you've got any questions about creatine, please let me know by dropping it in the comments below and I'll help you out. And of course, if you're looking to get a sports dietitian in your corner to help you with your nutrition game and tailor your strategy to what you need to do to achieve your goal, well, you can either drop a comment below and I can reach out to you, or simply just go to the show notes below and you'll be able to see the details of how to contact me, get in touch, we'll have a bit of a chat and see if we're a good fit. And of course, as always, hit the like button if this video has been helpful and provided you some value. And until next time, stay classy, have a good one, see you later, bye.